Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video without blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and for today's tutorial, we're going to use InShot application to remove watermark from our video. So first thing first, make sure you have installed this InShot application on your mobile phone. You can get this application from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And after you have installed this application, you can open the InShot application, and then we're going to create new project. So we can click on video and then select new. Okay, and choose the video you want to remove the watermark from. And I'm going to select video from my gallery. I'm going to select a video from this folder, this one, and click on the check mark to add the video to your project. Okay, and wait, I'm going to adjust the canvas. Okay, and I'm going to remove this watermark from my video guys. If you want to remove the watermark, we can duplicate this video. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option, and you're going to make it as an overlay. You can click on the switch menu. Okay, and then you're going to make it align with your first video. And to remove the watermark, we can use mask. You can tap on the second video and scroll all the way to the right until you find mask and choose the shape of the mask, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we can adjust the mask like this. You can adjust the position and also the size, and take another part of your video to cover your watermark. And I think this part will be suitable to cover this watermark, so I'm going to take this part. Okay, and I'm going to move the mask to cover my watermark. Okay, now it's done guys, and as you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video. And to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment. You can go to the folder and then adjust, and you can adjust the lightness, the contrast, the warmth, the tint, and it's up to you. And here I'm just going to I'm going to adjust the lightness to make it more natural. Just a little bit, increase the lightness. Okay, and click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Okay, as you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video without blur. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.